Namaste guys! Tajugos Nepal. So, dito tayo sa Nepal guys. Hindi na tourist. Hindi na ako mag-vlog kay mag-passport control pa. Hi guys! So, kailangan pa pala nating mag-fill out ng visa on arrival. Visa on arrival dito sa Nepal. Ayan guys. So mahaba yung pila. Actually, pumila na ako kanina doon. Tapos sabi nung bumalik ka doon sa sabi nung taga-immigration, bumalik ka doon sa immigration, passport control. Bumalik ka doon sa bus, may mga booth doon. Tapos magbayad daw. Sabi ko, ay okay. Kasi, Diyos ko, antok pa ako guys, wala akong tulog. It's na pala dito. 9:17 a.m. Namaste guys! Namaste. Is namaste right? Finally, tapos na. Visa on arrival. Very lang siya. Very straightforward. Fill up. Lang siya, may screen. Tapos, magbayad. Then, passport control. Ayun lang. $30 guys ang visa on arrival. And, may ATM kung kasi minsan hindi sila tumatanggap ng card. Pero may mga tawag doon. Mga window na may card. Pero nag-withdraw na lang tayo. I bought outside, inside. And, ayun, may SIM card na din ako guys. It's 1,650 Nepali rupee. Yung 28 days na 100 GB. So, ayun guys. So, ito na yung airport niya. Saan ba na exit? Okay. Muna to siya. Nagawas na ko. Mangita ta sa atong taxi. Muna siya ang Nepal International Airport. May mga Buddha ang ilang airport guys. Oh my God. So ayun. Joker kaya akong hair. Maragbagol. Wala kay tulog. I hope yung hotel nga late na kay ko. 8:50 may nagland but kung saan yung oras ron 10:08 na. Taas kayong linya sa kuan. Taas kayong linya sa visa on arrival. So, ingon tong taga-hotel is daw siya gipaskil na akong name. Pero wala man siya. Saka siya, no? Basin na siya dito sa gawas. Ay, ayun na guys. Muna ni ang gawas sa Nepal Airport. Ang litaon na ako siya. Saka siya, no? Ito siya nga, daw akong name. Hello. So, after sa masilimuot na hanapan ng driver na nahanap ko din siya. May dala-dala siyang pangalan. Hindi pala siya doon sa loob nakapwesto. Doon pala siya sa labas. Tapos, sabi niya, ang tagal din naghintay. Parang 2 hours siya naghintay kasi, di ba, nag-fill out pa ako ng mga kung ano-anong kaikikan doon sa loob. Tapos, naghintay pa ng maleta. So, yun sabi ko, sorry my friend. So, ayun guys. Ito na yung labas ng airport guys, ng Nepal. O, di ba? Alam nyo, mainit na pala. Diyos ko, super hoodie pa naman yung mga dala ko. So, ayun siya. Ito yung car namin. Hello. Okay.
This is the guy.
So, I will pay for him only. Yeah. Sige, thank you. You know the location, right?
Yeah, you know the location.
Okay.
I'm from hotel.
Okay.
I'm working here.
Okay.
You just sit.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yes, you need something?
Yeah.
How much?
If you like,
How much should I give you?
you can give 10-20.
Huh?
Give 10-20 from Sydney.
How much?
Give 20 US.
I don't have US.
Okay.
This white one is $6.
So how much you need?
This is $6.
This one?
This is-
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah.
This one?
$6.
You need this one, $6?
Yeah. This is
Ah.
okay.
One for me.
And one for you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Kalas? Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay. So ayun guys, kasakay na ako tapos on the way na kami sa hotel tapos yun pa lang nag-wait sa akin dun sa airport. Hindi pala yun siya yung driver. Parang barker siya. Siya yung nag-ano ng mga names. Naghihintay doon sa labas. Tapos yung driver pala nandun lang sa parking. Yun. And then nangingi lang sila ng 1,000 rupees. So parang mga 27 reals siya. Mahal din di ba? Budol. Pero carry na yun kasi gusto ko na talagang matulog. So ayun guys, papunta na kami sa hotel. It's already hot ha? It's already warm, the weather. I thought it's cold out at night or humid? At night cold? Not too much?
No, it's normal.
Normal now? Okay.
So we are starting for the winter season. It's maybe after
Winter winter is starting from which month?
June, July.
Ah,
June, July is
okay.
must,
Must visit.
Must,
So sa
I think this is the best season for you.
summer?
Now, this moment
The-
is best season.
This month is
Yeah.
good. Ah, okay, perfect.
The temperature and everything, climate.
What is your name, by the way?
I'm sorry,
I'm Rojin.
thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
It's right inside. We have a big festival, big temple.
What the?
It's
Which one? Hindu?
It's a Pashupatinath temple. In Nepal, around 75% people they are Hindu. We
Okay.
have a few Muslim and few
Christians.
Christian, and we have a Buddhist also.
Okay.
It's Nepal is totally almost a Hindu country. Indian and Nepal is similar.
Mm,
This is the biggest temple in Nepal. It's Hindu temple.
okay. There is Uber here, right?
Sorry?
Uber in Nepal?
Hmm?
Uber, you have Uber here?
No, it's no Uber, but we have kinds of like
What is the name?
Pothao and
What? Okay. I will download it.
InDrive.
InDrive, okay. I will just try to download it.
If you want you need Nepali SIM card for InDrive. You have already.
Yeah, I bought inside.
So what is your planning in Nepal?
Tomorrow I have a tour. Then other days I don't know. I have plan. I prepared my plan and then I will just go by myself.
Tomorrow you have a tour in Nepal, like Kathmandu Valley.
Yeah, I know it's the UNESCO heritage sites. Yeah. How long are we gonna take to go to the hotel?
It's normal 15 and 20 minutes.
Because it's traffic, right?
This is official time.
Today,
Yeah, Friday and tomorrow and Saturday.
10:25. Today is like last day of work.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
tomorrow you will be day off. All the people is busy. Okay. Very nice. It's my first time here in Nepal.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want some help, then you need to some tour. Then you need to some help. Then you can.
If I need, I will tell you. I will
Yeah.
tell the hotel, okay?
Can I have your ID, please? Sure. What's your name, address, signature?
Hotel Amaryllis. How do you pronounce your hotel? Hotel Amaryllis. Okay. Check natin yung labas niya. Ay, mga birds. How much for the taxi?
How many days you have a time in Nepal, sir?
Time in Nepal until April 3. April 3rd.
Any plan tomorrow after
I
tomorrow?
have I arranged something.
For tomorrow or after tomorrow?
For tomorrow, after tomorrow, I don't have yet. I don't.
Tomorrow the
If I-
city tour?
Yeah, UNESCO heritage.
No problem.
If I need something, I will. You're the one in that chat or no?
One of my brother.
Your brother.
Yeah. It's recorded.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Oh, hello.
What's your name?
Udaya.
So where's my room?
Room.
I will show you the room. This is in Madrid.
Okay.
Please connect the Wi-Fi here.
Aha. One moment. Wi-Fi. Wait, I'm connected to my other Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Ay, tapos na. Thank you. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Oh, thank you guys. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Kinonect na niya ako sa Wi-Fi. Forgot my bag. Nakakalimutan tong bag na to. Yes, third day. Very nice place. Ito na yung room. Maliit lang siya pero maganda siya. Tignan natin kung may bidet. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayan, shower. Check natin yung shower. Ano ba? Wala tubig. Dear, may agas. Paano? Wala, shit. Wala yung agas. Ay! Ano ba eh? Okay, gets na. Pili na siya bintana. Then room niya. Lovely. May cabinet. Karaan siyang hotel. Pero carry bells. See, check natin ang ano. Comfiness. Gahiman. Namaste. Welcome to Nepal. How are you? This is Hotel Amaryllis, right? How you call it? Hotel Amaryllis?
Yes, this one.
I just arrived today. Hi.
How are you?
What is your name?
Susan Taman. And you?
Sushantama?
Yes.
Rojin.
Do you know the meaning of
Yeah.
amaryllis?
I look like Nepali also.
No. Do you know the meaning of amaryllis?
No.
This is the flower. Come, I show you. The hotel is named by flower name.
Ah.
Now it's a good time for blooming.
Where is
Amaryllis
it?
flower is this one. This is
Oh.
Amaryllis flower. See how beautiful.
Aha. We call it, there's a different name in our country, but I forgot. I will search for it. This is
Amaryllis flower. This one.
So this
one and
is
this one, yeah.
the name of your hotel. Thank you for the information. Thank you so much. So I need to find a food, eat
Okay,
something.
take your time.
Thank you so much. See you later. So ayun guys, nag-ano ako sa labas ng hotel. Hi my friend. Ano pala, yung hotel pala nila ay nakapangalan sa flower. Ayan Hotel Amaryllis. Diba? Ang daming hotel dito guys. So ayun, parang nasa looban siya. Pero parang maganda to pag gabi na kasi may mga light show. So, sige, I will cut the video muna here. And I'll see you na lang later. Babush! Hi guys! So ayan, nasa bungad pa lang tayo ng hotel. Tapos dito yung mga bubungad sa atin ng mga shops. Ang daming shops. Nandito pala ako ngayon sa Tamil. Tamil ang lugar na to sa within Kathmandu. Ito yung may pinakamalapit sa mga shops, mga restaurant. Ay, may Korean restaurant, may mga hotel. Ay, ang daming ano guys, crow. So, tinignan ko yung ano nila, yung parang Uber nila in-drive, ang options, parang may mga cars, may mga motor din. So, hindi na lang ako mag-walk na lang muna ako today kasi gabi naman, hapon naman na. So, ako na lang muna mag-explore. So, ayan guys, may mga police guys. Si mamang police, hi, pa-cute. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Sarap magpa-picture kaso kailangan mo siyang mag-ingat ka. Maraming Ito na yung Kathmandu. Welcome to Kathmandu guys. Napaka-vibrant naman pala ng city na to. Ay, diba Ayun, may mumuhat. Yun yung pinakasikat dito na guys. Pinakasikat na pagkain sa Nepal, yung momo. Yung parang dumpling. Ayan, may mga tourist. So ayun, merong silang mga pakarwahe. Ayun guys. So ayun, daming turista, Diyos ko. Hindi sila sa mga pailaw. May mga pailaw. Ay, may Baskin Robbins. Fairness. Nasaan yung Momo House? So saan niya aakyat? Diyos ko. Napaka-busy naman ng area na to. Kanya makyatan. Gusto kong kumain ng momo. Alam nyo guys, may chika ako. Ano pala, pag Indian ka and Chinese, mayroong discount sa mga entrance fee and all. Diba? Kasi tinanong ako kanina ng kung ano daw passport ko. Sabi ko Philippines, sabi niya, ay wala kang discount. Laban lang. So yun guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta ha. I'm just walking, naghanap pa ng food. Ayun guys, ang daming turista today kasi peak season pala pag March, April, ganyan. So, para siyang Pilipinas guys, ang daming motor. Di ba? One of these days magmumotor ako kasi may pupuntahan ako. Ay, ang ganda naman nito. Ayun guys. So ayan muna for today. Bye. So ayan guys, naka-withdraw na tayo ng cash. Gagamitin tomorrow kasi nag-message yung magtutour tomorrow na magbitbit doon ng cash para sa mga ticket. So, okay na yon. Ngayon, ang problema ko ay ang food. I want to eat. Kanina pa ako gutom guys. Ang daming turista. Nakasakay sila sa parang kalesa na naka-bike. Tatry ko yan one of these days. And guys, nandito pa lang ako sa labas ng hotel guys. Pero sobrang busy na. Tomorrow, gusto kong kumain dito sa Little Buddha. Pero saan ako aakyat? Yes, I will buy this one because I like this one.
Yes.
Tomorrow I will come back. I just need to eat.
My friend, I tell you today no business. I tell you very cheaper. Look, this kind of.
Huh?
Look, this is very nice one, tiger eye.
How
Sit
much? Only one I need.
down. Which one?
How much? Tell me first.
Which one? This one and this one. This is cat eye. Come inside. This is tiger eye.
How much is one?
You have rupee and dollar.
I have
Rupee this one.
1,200.
Yes, sure. Not too much I say. You go in big shop, very expensive, 4,000, 5,000 rupee. But I tell you very cheap.
This one how much?
Same price. You give me both, okay? I give it less for you, okay? Somebody give for family, very nice. And this is turquoise, Tibetan turquoise. Look, this one.
How much is one? Tibetan turquoise.
This is little bit expensive.
How much?
This one 3,000 rupees. Because
Why expensive?
turquoise and coral and black one, 3 stone.
Huh?
1, 2, 3 stone. Look the one.
Wait, ready? Just a second. Guys, I'm here in the restaurant. Nag-order ako ng momo, tapos meron silang pa-candle. Meron silang pa-candle, thank you. May pa-candle lighting, guys. Tapos may mga buddha dito, guys. This is the restaurant. Hi guys, wala pa yung food. Ang tagal. So, ayun pala guys, oh. May pa-candlelight. Ay, naka-super night mode ako ngayon sa action camera. So, I think ati-test natin ang kanyang capability. Hi guys, can I vlog? Can I take a vlog? Hi guys. You all work here?
Yes, sir.
Wow. So, we can drink here also? Beer?
Yes, sir.
What is your famous beer in Nepal? Huh? What's that? Made in Nepal?
Yes, sir.
You have a Everest beer I see in internet.
Everest beer, maybe company clothes.
Really?
Yes.
So this is the new. Thank you so much.
Yes, very, very, very famous in Japan.
So you drink, all of you drink? Do you drink? No. You drink beer? You?
Sometimes.
Sometime only. This one, you every day. You sometimes, this one every day, huh? Where's my momo? Ready now? Ah, okay. Okay, sorry. Yay, thank you so much. Thank you. How to eat this one? Only by fork, right? Like this. Okay. Thank you. Hi guys, ito na. Matitikman na natin yung momo nila. Right? Buffalo. Para siyang dumplings. Ayan guys, oh. Parang siopaw. Kalat ang pagkain na to. Takalat sa buong mundo. Because sa Georgia, meron din silang ganito. Pero malalaki. Sa atin, meron din, di ba? Siomai. I think, Chinese influence. Sarap. Sarap na to guys. Nandito lang siya sa may sa may city. Hello. Sige guys. Bye-bye naman natin itong Mandala Street sa Garmantha Bazaar. Ayan. Mga buso dito sa Nepal itong mga ganito. Mandala Street. So ayan. Tinda-tindahan. Ay, ang peaceful dito guys. Dito doon sa labas. Talagang super crowded doon. So ayan siya guys. O, yung Mandala Street. Parang tourist. Ay, ang ganda doon. Punta natin. So nandito pala ang mga apam. Okay. Okay. Dead end na siya. So balik na tayo guys doon sa street. Dead end lang pala siya. Yun sila guys. Oh. So dito pala sa may looban guys ay peaceful. Doon pala sa labas ang mga Kasi walang sasakyan dito kaya medyo peaceful siya. Nandito yung mga apam. Nagre-relax sila. So dito yung mga tindahan. Hi my friend. How are you? I'm
Yeah,
good.
very good.
What is your shop?
This is Hira. You know, I'm from Hotel Amaryllis.
Ah, you're from okay. Sorry. Ito taga-hotel pala to.
Oh, okay, okay. No
See you
problem.
later. Nakasalubong ako ng mga taga-hotel. So, ayun. Ayun guys, may sosyala na wine egg. Kaso guys, ang napansin ko dito, hindi masyadong nag-accept ng card. Puro cash. So, kailangan naka-ready yung mga cash mo. Ito yung uso nila na kalesa na tawag dyan. Kalesa na di pedal. Ay, may mga guys, oh. Ay, may police. Diyos ko Lord. Excuse me. Ganda dito. Ayun guys. Oh. Meron din silang sari store. Grocery store, I mean. So parang looban na talaga siya. Dito ba may may disco? We have disco here. Deadma. Mga artwork. Ayun palang disco sa taas. Puntahan natin. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa bazaar. Hi! Diyos ko, wag niyo ako mahilo-hilo. Ito ang partyhan. Party, bed and super club. Sige. Tignan natin yan mamaya. Lakad na nga guys. Na-experience yung Nepal. It's up to you. Ang daming Chinese dito. Kasi may discount sila dito guys. So ayun. Oh, daming tindahan. Hi! Feeling close lang guys. Ang ganda dito. Mga Chinese. Chinese occupancy. Nandito pa lang mga ATM. Okay. Now gets ko na. The lounge bar. Ay, grabe ang daming inuman dito sa Nepal. Mga manginginom. Hello guys. Mga manginginom ang mga tao dito pala. May pub na naman Every corner may pub. Siguro itong mga ito yung mga yung mga angkas nila. So ayan, wala na. Dead end na. So balik na naman. See you later guys. So ano itong nakita ko? Karaoke. May karaoke. Hi! I just want to see karaoke. What time is the prime time? What time all people coming?
Maybe after 9 or 10.
9 o'clock? I will come back if people coming. Thank you so much.
This is Colors Karaoke.
Ha?
You are welcome to the Colors Karaoke.
Who are your guests here? American? Chinese? All country come?
From all over the world.
All over the world. Thank you so much. See you later ha?
See you guys.
So ayun pala. Nandun lang siya sa katabi lang ng kalsada. Ang videoke nila. So sabi niya 9 o'clock daw ang... Sige, makipagkantahan tayo mamaya. Charing. So pabalik na tayo ng hotel. Ito yung mga nakikita mo. Ganda ng ganda ng t-shirt ko. Napaka-flowy. Center Point. Thank you, Center Point. Ayun guys. Diba? Ang crowded pero walang basura. Ay, meron. Konti lang. Gusto ko talaga mag-uwi nung Mandala. Ang dami mga bar. Siguro mga manginginom talagang bumupunta dito sa Nepal. Ayun, resto bar. Katabi ng Himalayan Ek, mga resto bar. Ayan guys, pupuntahan natin yan later. Kasi first night pa lang naman. So, huwag tayo masyadong umiksena. So, ayun. Wala, naligaw na ako. Saan kaya pupunta itong mga apam na? So, parang mga Russian. Hi guys, where are you from?
Hey, France.
France, wow.
And you, where do you come from?
Can you guess where?
Korea.
No.
Thailand.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
Oh,
Philippines.
very good.
You stay here or you are on vacation?
We are here for vacation, yes.
How many days?
15 days, but it's our last night today.
Oh wow,
We
okay.
did a trek in Annapurna.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the first night, just today
Oh,
arrived.
okay.
So I'm just trying to make videos and explore.
Okay.
Enjoy, okay?
You too, enjoy.
Bye guys. Mga French pala sila. So ganun lang pala. Gusto niya mag-inom. Niyaya mag-inom. Last night na daw nila ngayon. So enjoy nyo yan. Nag-trekking daw sila guys. So ako, wala lang. Dito lang ako sa city. Kapag kamanan pa akong Koreano or Thailand, looy. Okay lang. Asian pa rin naman sila. Sige na. Pala yung Kathmandu. Gabi na guys. VIP lounge. So guys, habang naglalakad ako guys, may nakita ako dito ito. Ito daw ay worship nila. Parang naglagay sila ng offering as a worship. Para daw sa mga gods na nakatira sa ilalim ng lupa. Ang pangalan daw ay Lokmadyo. So, sabi ni Kuya, ito yung shop niya. Thank you! So, ayun pala. So, parang naglagay sila ng offering dun sa labas ng tindahan nila. Tapos may pagkain, may mga flower at saka incenso. Para daw sa mga gods na nakatira sa underground. Lokmadyo daw ang name. So, ganun guys. Very cultural sila dito sa Nepal. Traditions and culture. Lumalaban. Di ba ate? Charing. Ayun guys. So, ayun may mga stupa. Ang daming momo shop. So, ang gagawin ko na lang pala, kakain na ako sa mga momo shops. Yun na lang yung pinaka-main source of energy. Hi, what's your name? You're from Nepal?
Yeah, I'm from Nepal.
Hi. This is my first time here. What's your name?
My name is Kritika.
Chutika. I am from Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah. But some people tell me I am from Nepal. Same face.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? You agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Thank you. Ayun, so may nakita akong girl. Nakasmile siya kasi. So, I greeted her. Tapos agree daw siya guys na mukhang Nepali. Mukha naman talaga. Actually, many times na akong napagkamalan. Diba? Cute! Full vlog ha? No problem? Hi guys! Nakakita ko ng coffee shop. I will speak Tagalog. Nakita ko ng coffee shop at meron silang mga... You have bread. Yeah, I will order black coffee. Americano. Ha? Okay. Black Americano. And then... What else? What else? Cheesecake? It's good? I will decide later. Maybe... This one, croissant. Ay, nakakapagod maglakad. So, nandito muna tayo sa LRT San Patisserie. Mag-chika-chika muna tayo, guys. Kakain na ako ng, tawag dyan, croissant. Ba? Hi, guys! Inom muna tayo ng beer for today. Namaste. Can I order one beer? Okay. Live band dito sa Nepal. Dito ako sa front. I want Nepalese beer. Bisigaw talaga. So ayun guys, is the good one. Give me one only for now.
Would you like a new flavor, sir? We got a new flavor one.
What's the new flavor?
Crafted. Let me
What's a good one? Okay, show me. May pa-flavor pala. May pa-live band sila guys.
Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. Dream comes
Okay.
slow and
Why?
goes so fast.
Okay, I will.
You see her when you close your eyes. Maybe
Did you pricey siya ha. Hi, namaste. Ha?
How are you?
Good, thank you so much. I already ordered Philippine.
Don't miss the sun when it starts
Thank
to
you.
snow.